Hey there, I'm Marco from Hammer Time. This is our co-host, Matija. Hi. Okay, let's get ready. For today's episode, we are going to be hammering a can of water. And yes, there, Matija, he is going to show us a can.
Coke can.
And it used to be for a cola beverage, but we cannot say what type of can this is because of copyright reasons. There's water inside.
Taped on the top.
And yeah, we taped the top so water doesn't leak. And let's go to the showroom. Okay, today we're in my basement because we cannot use the facilities outside. It's too late. This is, I believe, our latest episode that we filmed. So here we're going to put the can, and let's get the hammer out. Brought this small hammer because we can't use a big sledgehammer, and this is carpet underneath here.
What's it called?
This is a regular hammer.
Name it.
Okay, let's name it. Susie. Okay, here it just flew out. As you can see, this can, it opened straight in the center. Crack. And here it spilled. No, that's not urine. Here. You can see. You can't see.
It's a big hole.
Yep.
That's what she said.
I think we should do this again. You agree, Matija?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get another can. Okay, come on. Follow Matija to get another can. Okay. Following him. No fascination. Let's go to our kitchen. Matija is going to get us a can. Fascination. Okay, now we are filling it up with water. More. Stop it, Matija, please. We don't have time. They're ants. Okay, after those horrific events, now we got a water bottle and a can of carbonated beverage with water filled inside. And hopefully this will go good because we have some extra things that were improvised, not planned. So let's go. Okay, now let's get rid of this can and put this beverage here and let's hit it. Okay, there we have it. This can exploded just like the other one. Now let's bring in our water bottle. Hopefully this one doesn't piss me off like the other one did. Okay, let's get ready to it. Okay, that last one was awesome. It blew my mind. Ew, the water is extremely dirty.
And that is a huge hole.
It's so cool. No comment. Here, me and Matija, we got all this stuff. So today's episode, we have a can. Let's scratch that. 2 cans and a water bottle. This water bottle was so epic. This explosion. Why don't we decide to hit it more? And there we have it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to freaking comment, freaking subscribe.
And rate.
Well, that's thumbs up. So, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Maybe we'll break an iPhone. By the way, I broke this board.